Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch. Carnivorous, adjective, carnivore, carnivory, carnivorously, carnivorousness, relating to a person, animal, or other living thing that eats meat, excessively greedy. Elegy, noun, a mournful poem, a lament for the dead, funeral song, dirge, requiem. Insects are trapped and digested by the plant to obtain nutrients. They are carnivorous plants. I went from carnivorous meat eater, the way I was raised, to vegetarian, to vegan, in just a couple of years. It is almost universally agreed among anthropologists and evolutionary biologists that the human brain developed with a switch to a more carnivorous diet. We don't have hyenas and lions. We have carnivorous elephants and jackasses, but the effect is the same. The UN report focuses our attention on the abundant resources expended in the interests of our carnivorous diet. Wire corals are carnivorous and should be fed small meaty foods such as baby brine, rotifers, fish eggs, and other zooplankton feeds. About 100 pounds of plants generally sustain about 10 pounds of herbivore, which sustain about 1 pound of carnivore. Apparently, there are a large number of fungi with Jekyll-Hyde personalities that can shift between herbivory and carnivory as the need arises. He stood looking at me carnivorously, flicking the crop as if longing to use it on me. Stephen's carnivorousness made him among the best-known turtles in our neighborhood. His beautifully written book is an elegy for an England that is dying, or at least in terminal decline. It's these contrasting foggy notions of allure and elegy, light and dark, that give the band its dynamic and depth. This book is thus a sublime yet restrained elegy to the land and to the follies and wonders of human ambition. Pericles delivers a speech that becomes a famous elegy for his fallen warriors. The fair was a daydream of a lost past, at once an elegy and a picture of what was to come. In this profoundly somber but moving elegy for a time past, he explores the last days of a ruined, deserted village high in the Spanish Pyrenees. When Herrera's guiding light abandons him in the very next elegy, does this somehow darken national as well as personal horizons? His poems are sometimes an elegy, maybe to his homeland, maybe to a martyr, maybe to the river, or maybe to a friend.